In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact TradingView support. If you've run into a problem on a chart, have a question about a feature, or just need a quick pointer, the fastest way to get help is built right into the chart interface. With any chart open, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and click the small question mark icon. This is your help hub on TradingView, and it's designed so you don't have to leave your workspace or interrupt your analysis. When the help panel opens, choose Chat Assistant. This is an instant support chatbot that can answer most common questions about TradingView, from understanding indicators and drawing tools to clarifying settings, alerts, layouts, and general account guidance. Type your question in simple, clear language. Briefly explain what you're trying to do, what you clicked, and what you expected to happen. The clearer your description, the better the response you'll get. It helps to include the exact name of the tool or setting you're using, and, if you see an error, copy the exact wording into your message. If the assistant shares an article or a step-by-step solution, follow it right from your chart, and scroll through any suggested links for related answers. If the first reply isn't quite right, try rephrasing your question with more specifics. Keep the conversation open in case you need a follow-up clarification. It's quick, available around the clock, and especially handy when you're in the middle of a session. If the chat assistant doesn't resolve your issue, use the same help panel to click Support Request. This option lets you open a ticket or send a detailed query directly to the TradingView team. Keep in mind, this channel is available for paid plans only. When you write your request, be concise but precise. Include the feature you're using, the exact behavior you're seeing, and any error messages. Mention your device and browser or app version if relevant. Note the approximate time the issue occurred, and add a link to the specific chart or layout if that helps illustrate the problem. Screenshots or a brief screen recording, if the form allows, can also speed up troubleshooting. After you submit, the team will review your ticket and follow up with next steps or a resolution. Response times can vary based on plan level and queue, so give them a bit of time. And there you go. To recap, click the question mark at the bottom right of your chart. Start with the chat assistant for instant guidance, and if you're on a paid plan and still need help, send a support request from that same panel. That's all you need to efficiently contact TradingView support without leaving your chart.